The Fabrica la Aurora is a place not to miss if you are into art and happen to be in San Miguel de Allende. So today we're going to be visiting this amazing spot to pay a quick visit to an artist teacher friend of mine, Jane Dill, and her awesome classes over at Galeria San Francisco, which is located here inside the Fabrica Aurora. What was once a factory for textiles is now a center for art classes, art galleries, studio spaces, and some really good restaurants. Also in the Fabrica, there are once a month art walks. Basically, if you like looking at beautiful, interesting things, this is the place to go.
This is a true behind-the-scenes sneak peek. We're here as a fly on the wall, and I found Jane showing a student that she hadn't made a mistake, but made a happy accident.
But look how that came out. This is a happy accident. You've got these wonderful outlines in here, so you can only add to that and make it better. The sun. And you also have the control over dabbling in a little bit here, a little bit more here, okay? So you can get some of your tones going here. And this is all going to dry a little bit lighter when we put it out in the sun. But make it super watery.
This class we've snuck into is Jane's abstract painting with texture class. San Miguel is alive with texture, from cobblestones to the walls, so this class is such a perfect way to celebrate this element of art.
The next one is the total opposite. So you're going to take color, full strength, totally full strength. You're going to paint it onto just the top part.
The patterns, the colors, and the texture all just seem like too much fun, and the students are looking like kids as they experiment and enjoy working with abstraction in this class. The creative process here seems so fluid and malleable as Jane shows us how to add layer over layer to create all kinds of different effects. So it's hard to think of how you could really make an unfixable mistake here, which is so true about the creative process in life as well as in art.
And whatever's left there, I'm going to spray it again. And it's kind of like, I used to live in New Mexico, and when it would rain, all the dirt would come off the mountains into the arroyos. And that's what it is. Just think of it that way.
So we do any color we want?
Any color you want.
Okay.
Any color you want. And that's one way to get the color into the cracks.
Okay. So
Okay?
we can try this.
Too much fun.
Yeah, what a kid!